Discover the most genius space-saving furniture, smart home ideas, and modern compact interior designs that turn even the smallest homes into highly functional living spaces. From transforming tables and hidden beds to slide-out cabinets, wall-folding furniture, and smart automation features. This video brings you the best inspiration for modern living. If you love wooden crafts, furniture creativity, and smart home designs, make sure to subscribe to Wooden Crafts Furniture for weekly videos. Hello, my beloved friends. Welcome back to Wooden Crafts Furniture, where creativity meets craftsmanship and smart home comfort. Today, I'm excited to show you genius space-saving furniture and smart home design ideas that will completely transform your living space, whether you live in a small apartment, a shared room, or a compact modern home. These ideas are practical, stylish, and perfect for anyone who wants to make the most out of limited space. So, let's dive in and explore designs that are functional, beautiful. Section 1: Genius Transforming Furniture. The invisible wall bed. One of the most popular space-saving inventions is the fold-down wall bed. When you're done sleeping, it simply folds up into the wall, instantly turning your bedroom into a study room, workout area, or workspace. Some versions even come with built-in shelving, LED lighting, or storage units attached to the underside. This is perfect for small apartments where you want flexibility without sacrificing comfort. The 3-in-1 Transforming Sofa. Imagine a single wooden sofa that transforms into a full-size bed, a storage unit, and even a table. These multifunctional sofas save space while adding a modern touch to your living room. They're especially useful for guests, studio rooms, or young professionals living in compact city homes. Folding dining tables. If you have a small dining area, folding tables are lifesavers. They attach to walls and fold up or down depending on how much space you need. Some designs include built-in shelves or hidden drawers, turning the table into a practical mini storage unit. This kind of furniture shows how smart craftsmanship can completely change how we use space. Extending coffee tables. Most living rooms struggle with clutter. An extending coffee table offers hidden compartments, lift-up tops for laptop work, and adjustable heights for eating, studying, or relaxing. It is stylish, modern, and extremely practical for everyday use. Section 2: Clever Storage Organization Furniture. Understair storage cabinets. That empty space under your staircase is a goldmine for storage. With smart wooden craftsmanship, you can install sliding drawers, open shelves, or pull-out cabinets. that keep your home organized and clutter-free. It turns wasted space into highly functional storage. Hidden shoe racks. A hidden shoe rack is perfect for entryways. With a slim wooden frame and a rotating or pull-out design, you can store dozens of shoes without taking up visible space. This keeps your home neat, especially if you have children or visitors. Vertical kitchen storage. Small kitchens benefit from tall pull-out pantry systems. These slim designs slide out smoothly, holding spices, dry food, utensils, or cleaning supplies. They keep everything organized while leaving more room to move around. Dual-purpose wooden benches. A wooden bench with built-in storage works great for entryways, bedrooms, balconies, or dining tables. It serves as both seating and storage, making it a beautiful and functional furniture piece. Section 3, Modern Smart Home Design Ideas. App-controlled lighting. Smart lighting allows you to control brightness and color with your phone. This makes your small room feel larger, softer, or more atmospheric depending on your mood. Warm lighting pairs beautifully with wooden furniture, creating a peaceful and modern environment. Smart curtains blinds. Smart curtains open and close automatically based on sunlight or voice commands. They save energy, protect your furniture, and make your home feel luxurious even if the space is small. Hidden charging stations. Modern furniture designs now include hidden charging plugs and USB ports inside tables, drawers, cabinets, and bed frames. This keeps cables hidden and your home tidy, especially in compact rooms. Motion sensing lights. Install LED strips under beds, cabinets, staircases, or bathroom vanities. These lights turn on automatically when you walk by, giving your home a clean, futuristic look. Section 4, Space-Optimized Bedroom Ideas. Loft beds with workstations. Loft beds raise the sleeping area and create workspace beneath it. This design is ideal for students, small apartments, shared rooms, or minimalists. It makes one room serve multiple purposes without feeling cramped. Sliding wardrobes. Traditional wardrobes take up too much space. Sliding wooden wardrobes save room while offering a modern design that blends into the wall. Bed with drawers. Instead of wasting space under the bed, you can add wide pull-out drawers. They are perfect for clothes, blankets, or seasonal items. This is one of the simplest yet smartest ways to stay organized. Section 5, Small Living Room Magic. Wall-mounted shelves. Floating shelves free up floor space, making your room appear bigger. They also showcase decor, books, or plants without cluttering the area. Modular wooden sofas. Modular sofas allow you to rearrange pieces depending on need. You can create a long sofa, two smaller sofas, a bed, or additional seating. This flexibility is perfect for small homes. Compact TV wall units. A slim wooden TV wall panel saves space by holding your TV, hiding cables, and offering storage for remotes, Wi-Fi routers, or decor. No need for a big bulky TV stand. Section 6, Final Smart Ideas. Fold-away desks. These desks fold down from the wall only when needed. They are great for studying, remote work, or home offices in tiny rooms. Ceiling-mounted drying racks. This invention is perfect for small apartments. Drying racks can be lowered to hang clothes and lifted back up to the ceiling when not in use. Thank you so much for watching today's video on Genius.